Hi, I'm Laura Akram. Welcome to this morning's core flow. We're going to start lying down, so make yourselves comfortable on your back. Just bring the knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and just rest the hands on the low ribs. We're going to take 3 breaths. We breathe in through the nose, feel the belly expand. And as you breathe out, just let a sigh out of the mouth. And again, inhaling through the nose. Exhale, sigh out of the mouth. Inhale through the nose, feel the belly rise. And exhale out of the mouth. Take a regular inhale. And a regular exhale, bringing the hands just behind the head or at the temples. And just lifting the knees so the shins are parallel to the floor. I'm going to lift the head, chest and shoulders up. Tap the toes to the mat. Lift the toes and lower the head. Lift the head. Lower the toes. Lift the toes. Lower the head. Lift the head. Lower the toes. Lift the toes. Lower the head. 3 more. Lift the head. Lower the toes. Lift the toes. And lower the head. Lift the head. Toes. Lift the toes. Lower the head. Last one. Head. Toes. Toes. And head. Just reach down for the right shin. Try and hold it fairly close to the ankle, nice and low down. Stretch the left leg away and just gently draw the right knee in towards the chest. And then cross your left hand to the outside of the right knee. Extend your right arm out to the side and draw the knee across the body, taking the gaze to the right. Trying to keep both shoulders connected to the floor. The last breath in. And the last breath out. Coming back to center. Reaching down for the left shin. Maybe interlacing the fingers and drawing the leg in towards the body as you stretch the right leg away. Right hand takes the outside of the left knee, left arm out to the side, drawing the knee across the body, taking the gaze to the left. Just connect to the breath, slow, full breaths. 1, 2, and 3. As you come back to center, just draw both knees in towards the chest, a little squeeze here, then straighten the legs, maybe a little rub of the backs of the hamstrings, flex and point the feet, maybe little ankle circles. And then we take a roll all the way up to seated. And just swing the legs around the side and come to tabletop position, all fours. So spread the fingers nice and wide, knees underneath the hips. Lower the belly as you lift the chest, take the gaze forwards, lift the chin, maybe close the eyes. Turn your attention inward, this practice of pratyahara, turning down the volume of the outside world. Exhale, round the back, press the bottom back towards the heels. 2 more. Lower the belly, inhale, lift the chest, lift the chin. Exhale, round the back. Draw the chin to the chest, press the hips back. And again, lower the belly. Lift the chest, lift the chin. And exhale to round the back. Press the bottom back. And returning to tabletop position. Just bring the knees to touch. And inhale the right leg up. Now imagine you're driving the heel up towards the ceiling, squeezing the right glute. Exhale, curl in. Bring the knee and the nose towards each other. Inhale as you drive the heel up. Now working some strength, bring the body weight forward, shoulders over wrist, bend the elbows backwards, lower the chin to the floor. Inhale, push back up. And exhale, knee to nose as you curl in. 2 more, inhale, drive the heel up. Exhale, come forwards and down. Notice the elbows stay lifted and tucked in towards the body. Exhale, round, curl in. Inhale, drive the leg up, squeezing the glute. Come forwards, exhale, lower down. Inhale, push up. And exhale, knees to touch. Left side, inhale, drive the heel up. Exhale, curl in. Inhale, drive the heel up, come forwards first, then down, chest and chin lower. Inhale, push up. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, drive the heel up, come forwards and down, exhale. Inhale, push up. Exhale, knee to nose, last one. Inhale, push the foot up, come forwards and down, exhale. Inhale, push back up. Bring the knees together and press back into child's pose. Keep the knees close and reach the arms forwards. Forehead lowers down towards the mat. Take 3 breaths. 1, allow that soft and gentle movement of the body with the breath. As you inhale, there's expansion. As you exhale, there's release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, start to come to tabletop. Bring your hands over to the left side and step the right foot forwards. Just transition the arms so that they're just in front of you. And just gently feel into this low lunge. It's nice and relaxed. So just explore the position. Maybe you drop the left hip a little bit. Maybe you turn the right toes out to the right slightly. And find a little more opening through the right hip. Maybe positioning the right hand into the right inner thigh, opening up. Just enjoy. We add a little twist. Option to reach the right arm up. Watch the fingertips as they go towards the back of the room. And inhale them forwards again. There's a little bow forwards here and inhale again. The arm comes around and back. Exhale, we come forwards. Last one, inhale to reach back, dropping the left hip. And exhale, as you come forwards. We turn on the back knee, the shin is parallel to the short end of the mat, windmill. Left arm up, right arm up. Left fingertips down, straightening the right leg, reach the right arm overhead. Could be on fingertips here or come to a flat hand. Maybe you bend the top leg and catch the foot. Releasing the leg, hands come down. Stepping back into a high plank position, facing the back of the mat. Then lower the knees down, chest and chin lower. Coming onto your tummy into a baby cobra. Stay here or send the arms back, palms up, maybe lift the feet and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Hands underneath the shoulders. Press yourself back. Coming into your tabletop, walk the hands over to the right side and step the left leg forwards. Again, just finding that comfort in your first low lunge here. Maybe dropping the right hip. Maybe turning the left toes out to the left. Maybe a little press of that left hand, opening up. Adding that little twist. And the left arm reaches up all the way back and around, looking to the fingertips. And then returning the hand as you exhale to the front of the mat. Again, inhale. The left arm comes back. Maybe you drop the right hip a little more. Coming all the way forwards again. And the last one, inhale. The movements can be super small, or you can slowly make them bigger. As you come back to center. We turn on the back knee so the shin is parallel, short end of the mat. Right arm comes up, fingertips find the floor, reaching up and over with the left hand as you straighten the left leg. Focus on lifting the hip and the rib cage to get that side bend. Or option to lift the leg or catch hold of the foot or the ankle. And then the hand comes down. We're facing the front of the room again, stepping back into your high plank. Pause in your high plank, so press back through the heels, pull up through the ribs, round the upper back. So we exhale, lowering knees, chest, chin, coming into baby cobra. You can stay here again, lifting the arms, palms up, maybe lifting the legs for 5. Keeping the back of the neck long for 4, 3, 2, and 1. The hands come underneath the shoulders. We press all the way back, taking it all the way through to child's pose. Maybe this time lifting the fingers, pressing into the heels of the hands as you push the hips back for 2. And 1. And slowly bring yourself up, swing the legs to one side and sit yourself down on your bottom. So just shuffle forwards and just start to make your way down again. We're going to go down slowly. So we lift the legs, shins parallel, reach the arms forward. So we're going to try and slow down our descent by rounding the back, curling in, curling in, curling in. Hug the knees. Maybe some little circles here, knees go wide, forwards and together, draw them in. Knees go wide, forwards and together. Last one, knees go wide, forwards and together. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, just place the feet down on the floor. Let the palms roll up, let the arms rest down by the sides. You can slide your left leg towards the bottom left corner of your mat. Slide your right leg, bottom right corner of the mat. Free up the shoulders. Take a breath in through the nose and a sigh out of the mouth. Just allow your eyes to close. Let your breath become soft and light. No need to control the breath. Inviting softness through the breath, the body, and the mind. Noticing any sensation in the tips of the fingers or the tips of the toes. Feel free to remain in Shavasana for as long as you feel you need. Thank you for joining me for this morning flow practice. See you next time.